karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura bachiko ya mandege uzito somya bamura bachiko ya mandege.
Wakire omwancho murigeria Ogetembe Television ritukeriga ekero ere chitariki isana na isato omotenye yiga ojanuari bona se omwako chakira se chimbero chinene kigima na kwariganiria se omorobere obwetwani ya Getembe ekero rero rire ritukoria Jumatano nande rire ritukoria bene turachiko chako morobere yiga ase enchira yobuamo nche Matilda Obaigwa na kuganeirie otware oborigereri obuya ase amaya chinsa chiabona mambi nandekera toko chikorigeria mangana iye gazeti ove enanche naboigo ntochiko motwara samiyenda aiga erio tanyare korigereria chigazeti ase obwikirano nandekoro abo ntochiko twara abageneiga ase studio erio tokwanere amangana yabasai no burai na kwariganire nande nakuborire sanga na inche omorobereiga abwetwani gochaka bono wika chinsa inye chiamambia rituko oria rero nakuboririo nyare konyora gwetera ase chinsemo chiri chia Facebook buna Getembe FM chinsemo cha YouTube Getembe TV na boigo namba yesimire 0726447367 ase obwango mono asingencho yebiro togochaka na ya verika wateka ase chingaki chiabono mambi gusa ya verika wateka kurwa ritukoregoro erio tomanya kogenda ase nchira yobwamo boika ase chigazeti chirituko riarero kirongo chaka kirobono abaibori bebangete kigima naboigo obachakire kokoba abana babugucha ase chisukuru nigo bono abaibori baborigwe banyare kwene kinga baichoire chifomu chechi basari erio kwene kinga onye chibesa chiaborire bakwirira abana school gose chiwakane school fees eserikali enyare gwesona ni gwetira ase ebiganja abuna keri kia NGCDF naboigo ekiganja keri kia umugavana naboigo keri kio mowen rep erio abana banyare kogenda chisukuru ase enchira engikirano na gochaka amasomo abo bono umosakito Polycarp Okara na twariganireti oroboti rwabene una abaibori baborigwe mbabasa gotiga wa apply chief form cheche basari eri kwane kinga abana babo banyorire amasomo ekero umwaka bono ochagite ase chimbiro chinene
ejinga kichiga abana bagendrete kwirana ase chisukuru niga abaibori bagendre ko bagosegeto kwene kiwanja chisukuru chiabo aso wanchira abana babo gosoma chisukuru chirange na sebale kulingana muno mwalimu munene w'eskuru yiga ya Gasore PH Secondary Secretary Richard Nyaribali nigo aine kirego cha kabene wetam ime yeskuru yiga ya Gasore PH
tugenedera nga matoka na mayago chako toka se skuru waiboli na bango batebinga anje skuru na bali baitana ne skuru anje skuru eko gara tutete kuruje skuru ya sere to jire biwango binde
Nyaribali nigagendera ko bakakubasigeta abana kokoromukia unenchire ya moyo gukinya eskuru yiga
dare ko boli abaiboli mo prepare abana baje school to chakamo tamu ina bekora kana ne ntambira kimenyenga kara abana baraiche na litoranyana kuko registra pasito mapema tuptarisha abana especially aba form 4 bajokora matemu mwako yoga
na sense moyende ni gabo boli bagendre ko bagosegeto kwene kibunangwa kana bale bisagwa bili batungete genkyo ilikorwa chinga kichabene kuchasaba oro kiwa kunyara ko babagosomerwe ikirania alia onsi chiskuru chabekire kulingana muno mwalimu munene w'eskuru yiga manyakantu na Nami SDS Secondary School asireta nyamu ya makoli niko asegetire abaibuli wego kwene kibunango eri kyabale asumurubuli bwechi basari ejo kirakonya abana kwegenderia muna masomo abo.
We urge our parents kero mwabuli asabe a pasari because our leaders in Korwa pasari buya especially when kero Korwa enough information onyo mwanore evan or the neovan and our oven we have total ovens untobugate partial ovens and the needy cases are considered. So when you give this enough information, we feel even take a baby.
Nyina boni gabo boli base getire koleta abana se chisukuru aswega abana abiga bagendere ko bagosemigo gwetanga muna mulyo yogotindia ayo araturutumbe amagimabo.
We will have time to talk to them to tell what they should do. toba having a time and solution for everything. Toba device against madawa ya kulevya, toba device how to do ebinto wanto kokora at the right time. Unabono this time wanto kotika all these other things. Para buatakanya mangana masomo. Then from there, anyana marunga yako bachira. Patia maru aro will always ruin them. Ebinko bata vitore and we shall tell them.
Kulini kurwa stegati ya Bible kurwa soro kongorigarwe county ya Nyamira. Nigoba sokire na kwemurunganira kubwatakana monogo kunga kubugima.
Kera abana bakanda chisukuru abarimu bara batosereria abana batoeri bagake linde tuligie chinjira tokonya abana aba na ndiri yakabero umwana ge kwa moire sukuru na ngombe kwa munibera etali gosia gukamubutu kona mugose na nditata gitinsiaga gotware gosaba serikali yetu keranje etokerie ubugima bwa magori elina nyana abana tonyare ko baira chisukuru
iginko reporteri getaseni kya uwanjete kya gatembe kuraiga imeye county ya Nyamira inche gongoro kwa Polycarp okara
nekero abana bagendrete kwirana ase chisukuru nigo bona baboli gwe banyare wanja chisukuru chiri abana babo bagosoma nabo igo goskabusyo uika ase county ya Kisii nainde bono ime yeskuru yabamura ya St Mary's Mosocho nigo abaibori nabo igo abarimu nabarokiwa abanyarete kwenekia goseko bakirori boko igorwa kwebirasi ebibi ababikwa gacho be grade gya kyanda gose grade 9 amangana yakorekanete eri tukore igoro nigo bono abaibori abo beneketie gose nabo igo aborokiwa abanyarete korokia omogokobo abo bagochigoswa grade ekyo eri kwenekinga amasomo achakire ase enchera yabene ekero omwaka ogochaka omusekeito ndipo nasanya natarite eskuru yabamura ya St Mary's Mosocho agatobwera oroboti oroiga unarokobwatia
Maigaje chiskuru kwigurwa ritu koria igoro aseta mwentangani yo mwako yoiga wechiri 2025 abarimu n'abaibori nigo bagendrete koinekia inga amasomo achakira senchire ya bene gochesa borokiwa omo director w'ichisemi county ya Kisii nigo bonagendrete koigora bene ebirasi bya grade 9 imeye chiskuru ao gati yabo eskuru ya St Mary's Mosocho egotoka imeye bunge ya Kitutu cha South.
Today we are at St. Mary's Mosocho Boarding Primary and Junior School, commissioning 2 grade 9 classrooms built under KPIL program under the Ministry of Education. I want to appreciate the Board of Management and the Principal for managing finances prudently. I want to thank the contractor for making sure that the classroom is well done to the specification.
Niga inana emirobili bagendete kubeka bune serikali ye county banyare gwikirania amagacho yebirasi ime ye chiskuru chonsi.
In phase 1 and 2 in Kisii County, phase 1 we had 110 classrooms, phase 2 235. All are complete apart from 4 because of a few issues, but they are underway. We also have classes in phase 3 and schools in phase 3 and 4. We are doing procurement and groundbreaking. We hope by early February they'll be complete. CDF is also doing some other classrooms for grade 9. So we hope in February every school will have a grade 9 classrooms.
Kuwatakana na matemu ya grade 9 yo mwako yo igani gobona borokiwa bachakira masomabo asenchira yabene kire skuru liyo banyare go ikera ekerengo kyo mwako yo iga.
All the grade 9 students are in schools, you have seen here. So they already, we have been going around the schools and all the students have reported already. Yeah, so we are saying as they come in, of course we give them priority because they have an exam at the end of the year. They have an exam called Kenya Junior School Education Assessment at the end of the year. So they have to settle down as quick as possible. We have provided textbooks, so they should settle down so that they are ready for that exam at the end of the year.
Abaibuli bano nigo baboligwe koba nobale mubayisaine ekiagera omurobeli yo iga ase serikali nigo gendrete goikiraniwa asenchire ewenerete.
There is no cause for alarm. Government is in charge. So grade 9 transition is 100% successful.
kuripoti ria gitaseni kiao kia Getembe kurue bunge ya Kitutu George South eria nendipon asanya
nekero aboroki wa bari banyara gwikaransa amatemu y'ekirasi gya 12 umwaka itabaganyiririte amachibu abo nigo bono abarimu abanene b'ekisukuru cy'ekisecondary korwa ase county ya Nyaribari Masaba banyarire koenekia nga barabu mbare ange kegima nabo igo baigoire ekisukuru ase enchera ere y'omong'uso mono nigo batebire mbare ange gokora emirimo yabo buna abarimu nabo igo koenekia nga aborokiwa bonsi bari banyare gwikirana ase ekisukuru babwatire gose bachakire amasomo abo ase enchera ya bene Dan Muzungu noroboti oru
nige gatiye ekisukuru cy'ekisecondary cyanyara kwigurwa bene ritukoria rero asense ya Kenya nene mono kurwa Sorogongo rwa Nyaribari Masaba igo kisukuru eki cyanyara kwigurwa igatiabo y'ekisukuru twanyara gotara neri ya Moige Susu St Mark Mokorogonywa Mobamba Masimba High School St Ruanga Ichon Girls gatiye ekisukuru chinde chinyinge nyana boniga barimu abanene b'ekisukuru ekiga banyara kwenekia ogocha kwa bana bangeri tukoria rero banyara goteba nigo bebekirange gochego chaka etamu entangani na wewe abarimu gochego soebira simena gochaka gosomia.
The learners have reported and we are set to go. I know this year we are likely to have challenges. The numbers that we have won't be available because we do not have now Form 1.
As a school chego irulero tana bia bana ntundero toigora bana tana blero bia yaba na masoma chake because kuna igore to abate meeting into akolete sabalimu tukobeka strategies na tukoigora lero abalimu bachakire birasi bizi masomo na yandrete towa kere serikali mbiemo na so support school awa na tiga tuchage tamu yebia toge
high school the term well we thank God and as you can see students are arriving we thank God and we're hoping for the best as the term begins.
Ekrabo igaba orokiwa baiga banyarire gosegetwa irinde batiko korumukia ekerera bene ntamu ya bentangania so mwako iga 2025 no nyana boniga banimu abaiga banene banyara gukwanira amatemu manene ayuara chiko soka bwango iga.
The good result, I know the exams results are getting out this week as promised by our CS, and we are expecting a better result.
Amatemu ayari busubuna toganya tago chiko soka umpuo beti na chiko soka.
Ekrabo igatia baibori banyara gukwanira ekrabo banyara kubwatuka abana bene kuruchinka chiabo na kogende skuru banyara goteba nyonye uchumi ya kongire nere buyabo igaborokiwa baga gochikomenta gokorumukia
Ndumbi akungara kende nyasawo tugwerere twanyore bikeigo twemigire twaletire nonye challenges chiabeta chinga chibese chiyo nyinge na letro mwane skuru
ana bwase skuru ya Masimba High School eyabira seke getambe batabwatie boarding facility nigo mwanmu monene ane kiaboroki kwabugo ikirana ase skuru ekarba iganyara goteba na lierabe entunda entangani ase skuru yao chigotwara boarding facility asabana bali ba form 4 ekarba iganyara gosaba bara ikurwa sense meiga wego chikobwatira nerinde skuru eiga kogenderera
that this year our Form 4s will be both boys and girls. We have a dorm which is incomplete. We are requesting Mheshimiwa to help us complete the dormitory so that the girls can be accommodated in that dorm.
Korpotri ketaseni kia Getembe koroiga Nyaribari Masaba yugo toke me county ya Kisii ilietariane igongoro kwa Dan.
Ndigo mo director ne Havila Konte biaga use akonginyoria nga eyune bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba na inde bono gotigara ime ye county ya Kisii musaketo Brian Nyakundi nere natarete chisukuru ao na boigo aborokia abange mbanyarete gukwana na beariganirie kegima eri gochaka omwako yoiga obwa masomo ekero bono chisukuru chinyinge chechi secondary chanyarete koigorwa lituko riegoro.
Ekero bono chiskuru cheigorwa rituko ria rero niga borokigwa be chiskuru chisekendari barorekana goikerana ase chiskuru ao ime county ya Kisii. Niga balimu amona borokigwa baikirana ime ya chiskuru ao abo ase barorekana gutwara ogosemeria buna nigo mwaka oyo baragenderera gokinia ebirengo bya chisemi ime ya chiskuru chiabo. Ime yeskuru enene yabamura ya Kisii nigo boigo ababorokigwa baikirana abo ase umwalimu omonene omokonyi Hezbon Chwea ateba buna nigo barachie gochaka gosomia ababorokigwa abo gochakira rituko liankyo.
Kisii School. Kwa majina ni Hezbon Chwea, naibu mwalimu mkuu Kisii School. Leo tumekuwa tukiwapokea wanafunzi wa kidato cha pili, cha tatu na cha nne. Na nina furaha kusema kwamba tumepokea zaidi ya robo tatu ya wanafunzi wetu. Majority of our students have come back. I think they are eager to learn. And we are so happy to have received them. So that tomorrow from 7:40 we shall engage themselves in learning. Welcome Getembe TV to Kisii School. You're most welcome.
Ginko ripoteri igataseni gya Getembe kurwa se county ya Kisii. Eliatariane Brian Nyakundi. Butambe ekanisa nero ni bwateri bagali nene ekero abana bekegoria geke bagenderete gukina gose bare ase chisukuru bono omufada Lawrence Nyanga nere ni gwaborire abarokiwa ekero bagoso ase chisukuru bono bachakira mwako yiga banyare kwene kinga abe atananire kurwa ase chisagu chimbe batigane nogo obotumeki bwa mariogo yogotindia na boigo obosari au obu abana bechisukuru bagochibaikirania obu chanda esabari yabo ase amasomo omusekito Daniel Ontiri na tarite chinsemo icho na boigo koreta aya
okwana na koganiria abana baito amaya ekiani matenga babera se chinka chaberu sentambe oyetania chi mitinyi bere kole rwano kwirina bara se skuru andi nabakora na se skuru nkolengia yenga kibaberenka nabokonyora ngakero kende banalire batwarira umunaro bokobaka na gitutagetera ndekara bakonda isukuru zo kwaganiria maya abarimu nabaruba bariganie egere basoe bagendere n'amasomo aya igantumate nayengenje mono umwana batango uri na gesero tanda kuburubora era nyore gesero kiaye yarigani byasobogima buri bosyo nandinde abana betange korwa se bintu bigutindi binyugwa ikera ntumanyetenga kero kenderere bintu byakire bireraisi bigutuka kirase none kera abana bakonda isukuru chitauni tubwatega nyasoro no chire mesokotero sire konwo ebinyugwa mbiroro bakwenda bagura usine chipaketiga ebintu byiko chi spirit abana bakero kende bagenda biro by'isukuru na bero buya none kera bagosoa compound y'isukuru ase bamenyeteme bacheki ubaronga bintu kiebiga kole ndo umwana nkyugwanjiro nako cheki ubuguri ebintu bikwenda n'amasomo tubasukubuguri ebintu chiguru bubwate ekindi tere kwenda n'amasomo gobono na binyugwe mbikwenda n'amasomo ikyaro umwana buna kutumike kenyugwe kega tari korengere bunare korengere tari ku
nokunyagote banga obore mati burigetango ase bono nkukoira wika award wika ekenyoro kya Nyamondo egotoka award ya Bogusero ime yebunge ya Kitutu Church South county ya Kisii ase bono omugaka omanyekanete buna Jairo Ochwangi aereire enchera arwarete wika kubutorwa amaguraye eyo yaireire ere kochandeka ase amatuka mange naboigo bono nokuburia bare erio abasamari gose abantu bari babwate owancha okuya banyare gokonya amateyo. Gabriel Nyakundi no arenge chinsemecho
mugaka Jairo Ochwangi mogerenigo eiburite buna omuntu rwinsi ase omubiroye korinde engaki emo agachaka kurwara ase echinjira chitamanyikaini goika erego chinchia koba ekrema nigo erera injira chake tukurwara igintu kyageretere kubuturwa amaguru goika amagokae kubutuka ase chinjira chitamanyikaini
kurwara kwane nachage kurwara kurubusyo n'umuntu w'umubiti Bono kana cha kurwa muntu umugite. Kahinya gitari. Kahiyo machaka guyako. Yoge kinti ko karagasi. Nkaba ibyara bigachaka mnango kulinga kana biri byamaboko. Boneka byachaka kulinga kana kagendera nyagitari diuka. Nikamaya kulinga kana byonsi pi. Ebyalinga kana byonsi bona bayibuli bakamaya kuruwa bagateba nyagitari yasinyire gatumuyire kenyechi. Bono kenyechi bakangira kenyechi. Sitiri byara bigendera to koraki. Kulinga kabono. Bono ebyari bigachaka konyenya kinchira giti. Kare byanyenya ka bikunyerete. Gata kubutuka. Kare byabutuka. Kabutuka bitabukotaka. Byamagoko gasoa maguru.
Egento keretere kubutorwa amaguru a senyagitari ya tabaka.
Kuguru kadwara. Ukamanya gusalika pi. Kerbwa sali achikuturuko kuguru. Akanyimu kukurwa akangira bagatabaka. Kabuturuko kuguru. Kana buturwa kabagu ngachanka gwena. Kera na gwena kachaka. Kai guchindo kachaka tsarna chirocho kachaka chirocho. Nuko kundi na karuku kachaka. Mnanga na karuku kamanya gusalika pi. Nande kabuturuko kukundo. Bono kabatimbu atumaguru nande.
Ekinto kireretere konia enibo yayane nemono omugundo oye.
Sina ruhitu mugundo nawo neti. Kamanya okoraki. Kamanya kubuturwa magurayo.
Nigo orokyo bobo bwae ase omoroberio oyo osha ase ekinto keriate babuna ataranyara komanya enchera egokora egasi.
Wenyo nakibwate bitangani. Konkonya kialingi. Lakini bono unabacha bakakichincha. Na bonki bwate nyumba tindali kwikikija. Bono unakia chinchigwa ninkira tige okoragasi. Bono bukiri nyumba abusaigo.
Nigo erera emichando agwetera.
Gwetera. Abonda arware. Ebe simbule nukira nyitali. Ni nyumba menyete nero imbura gego tonya gute nyumba na ndina kake
ase asabirionde bwensi uyuranyare kumukwera mabebe komukonya asenchera ende yonsi
ikari kiranche endolera mabire nkonye undi bweshuri n'umwoyo bugwancha ankonye nambikira kanyumba kakeigo nakomenyera.
Kingo reporter Getembe kurwa sebunge ya kitutu cha Chisauti kaunti ya Kisii ninche Nyakonde Gabriel.
Nekera hongo kora nare gukumanyinga aba MCA kurwa county ya Nyamira nigo bono batebire umwako yega omoya ngochibare gukora ukubwaterana iri kwene kianga babekire amaganio yo Munyamira busyo nabo igo ekero bakorete egeikaro litukore igoro ekyo kiara etwe no yore omonogeri bwebunge omosike Thaddeus Nyabaro nigo obono batebete ngochibare kwene kinga abanyamira amagendero y'abanyamira bunabono okorosigwa wechipara nabo igo okobaroro kwa mariogo imeyichi nyagitari imeye county echo eyo ya Nyamira naro arachikoba amangana matangani gose naro arachikobekwa bosyo naba MCA abo umuseke tofati gadi gisemba na tarite chinsemecho nabo igo koene kinga aba MCA abo banyarire kubanga gose bakwanire amangana ayo babangite omwako yoiga mancho morigereria ngokuboria nga agendera ko banigita sinikiga kya Getembe television ime yech ase chinsemo chiri cha YouTube na Getembe TV nabo igo Facebook Getembe FM enamba yesiminere yo 0726447367 nyara kolika message go chaiga ase studio nabo igo iretari awo ngai kubambatire kurwe mambi yabono nekerengererio kya wonkereki anene mono rituko rya rero rya Jumatano kero turachi gukwanira abasae guseke gorie kigegeke na mangana yoburai abasae na magendero tuchugutwara abageni iga ase studio erio tunyare kurigiriria mangana yu ase enchera eri engikiranu kegima korende nkogenda ase omutimo komoke erio manya kuirana na yare ime yechi gazeti nande enare gukumanyanga rituko ria rero rituko rie chitariki ose chitariki echiga chia rero chitariki isano na isato umotinyo mutangani kegima huo mwaka na ribono omo science umanyekanete buna Leon Foucault anyarete koene kinga amaene ense nkonyarere gonchoka yatwara obutuko no mugaso tari risase rikolimera gosetari risase rigotara korwa mocha gochia ekegusi korwa east to west korwa mocha gochia bosongo korinde nense egonchokana na ase erisa sekere gukora chinsa emerongevere na enye nige gonchora SID yamo yarori ase omugaso ne SID ende yatwara omosunte litukeriga ria January chitariki isano na isato eri koro kwanga Earth Rotation Day kendera koba ime ya Getembe Television erio togendere kwemanya amange
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamuraba kikuya mandege uzito somya bamuraba kikuya mandege
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi Sha Ceramics nigo bono yago keirie rigori riechitile cha Twyford icho bono igachi konigwa chishiringi chimisano nebere nemerongebere chuka ase a box ya 30 by 30 nigo bakoni ya chimabol bunabono chitable taps ikoni bari chirangi aina chunsi koni bari solid doors PVC ceiling babugata chitile chechinyasi naboigo echechi floor MBF pyramid gypsum cornice filled fables mabuatech double corner shelf a towel rack chi scrap holders chi soap dispenser naboigo chi shower mbabugate chi birengo ne chi type au ebinto bya plumbing Beyonce P bunabono PPR female PPRT PPR stop valve sockets PRS chi generator mbabugate chi type Jones P chi submersible pumps chi drill mbabugate chi type Jones chi bench vise chi meter saw Anson scales naboigo mbabugate chi water tap ochonsipi simiti chi chuma chi water tank chi water pipe amabati ye chi type ochonsi emesumali noego toka eyubugachi ne yamabati nigobago toka Cansons Plaza aseparena ya Kisumu Highway inchuo Sha Ceramics bwegorera serigirianse Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi
Eduka ye Euromat Supermarket nigo yakoletiri ubwansu asebagorosia emigati emiya babwate umugati oli Euro white bread which gramu chibi inye Euro white bread which gramu chibi ibere Euro mandasi boigo chi queen cake chi buns chi birthday cake so chi cake chi nyange egati yebinde ebinge asobwansu boigoro tueba babwate ebintu biria bichicho abuna tissue, papers, serviettes, Apic detergents, igati ebinde ebinge. Nkoni abali chindagira nebinyuwa. Bunabono, bwate omuchere, chidengu, ebiskuit, chisoda, chicheese, na mabuta yogukaranga, ase omagori ainsekegima. Semeri yobo chenu, bwate ebintu na basir boda, sunlight, geisha, meningai, nechinde chinyinge, semo ilia yeskuro, ni gobabwate bintu buna, chi file, chi brown cover, ebitabu, chi karamu, crayon Jones egati yabinde ebinge tuichanda buno nabokonyora ebibyonsi asuko batalira ime yensemelia ya Nyabite ime county Nyamira kusoba kiresimi ase enamba 0781111555 Yolomat Supermarket asubwansuo na magoli amaya minyoka.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Ine kwabaire gukolera asenga kintambe guse niko kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge. Aha bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya Walfit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate no borwere bwasungwira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what we call the genesis of diabetes na kiborwere bwe sukari bwo somo bero woime hypertension no borwere kera manyinga ko genda ibure somo bero. Walfit itosomete chinjereza to jokorwali amarwaire enjere ntangani itosomete ngendo nga conventional medicine, yani ubonyagitali obwa kawaida itosomete ngendo nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have ntubiko amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka esokorwali amarwaire njirende yagata tosomerete neka togutumia international herbal medicine togutumia marioga akurwese mete twarwali amarwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega igamarikiti marikiti gaiso wako ninyama kwali na iguru wachi bakegoroba ya gatatu erumu 307A. Ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusani obo asamarwaire minyoka.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Ine nubwatu musangerekano oligitiko genda asobwangu nigali egwikia ubwangu nandebuya noligitiko genda ne yamati yao asumuchunde egara ochikwegokya nabamati bao. Ine nubwate 88 otegitiko genda kwa utarabo krega buki ni geroro asingenche yao genda ase smartphone yao ogende Play Store egara o download app ya buki kuroro osabe egali ende yonsi ekoire mpaka asoligitiko genda asirigulirigi ya kwetani golirinde lyonsi abugwa gatumikire kurwa aburi tangane nigatore asime kimna Kisii, Nyamira, Kisumu, Omabei, Migori, Kericho, Nakuru, Naivasha, Nairobi na chinsemo chichietana ine. Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Ine nuligetie eskuru engia asumwano aranyole chisemi Prince Shiners Academy nero eskuru nigobabwate daycare all education go se nursery grade 1 go ika grade 3 ngo kinyabale ebe wabya bana nakubagilia chikosoli ao gatiobu ya bonde obonge. Eskuru ye nigo ekwena na obokoreri bwabosombi asi abana bonsi inyora aborokia nabange nabancheire ne wizara yejisemi. Chi interviews niko chigendere tekera lituko liya Jumatatu wika Ijumaa niko bagutuka asensemo ya Nyankongo chimita chimi ibere kurwa asensemo ya stejimiwa asamange bakiri esimi ase enamba enoti isano na ibere eyemo ibere enoti kianda isano na isato inye isano nemo gose enoti isano na ibere isano eyemo kianda enoti isano na isato enoti. Prince Shiners Academy richibu richisemi chingia.
Thank you for giving me the best food, the best teacher. He has made me go. Now I can say I'm not a
Shriners Royal Academy kisemo cha Jogo kwa kile stage niwa naingia ndani kidogo anga 200 meters na kwa nyara Prince Shriners Academy rawu ego shine Prince Shriners ndio atabantu bare qualified abantu babwata passion n'abana kuko retro mwana wa Prince Shriners ayo manye ikire school fees yaiterenke kire mwibeli akonyara weiteria mwibeli reto mwana koko igwana nawe bya ndio wakane school fees yabo ayona ndakoregas emwana asome ayona korete school fees yabo nkente bino akonyora by the end of the term okonyora okorete ngo mwensi na bari ganiri Prince Shriners.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Thank you and welcome to Keroka Technical Training Institute. We have the intake in January and we are requesting all the ladies outside there, despite the age, despite the ethnicity you are coming from, we have equal opportunities at Keroka. Huwa tunachukua wanafunzi wote. Thank you and welcome to Keroka.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Enyagitari ya Nuga Best nenyagitari ya chirengu maso gusegasigire mechando aoya marwire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya banto nigo babwate emashini yekerero iyo ekorongeya egetekyo mogongo yanyinyitora emekia yane kyabuna chingurungo toka kire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatemerimende emashini ye nigo eroseraniri amaryogo ayo akurukwa nano diamond titanium ayo agutumeka ase okugwenia ale nayo obokoreri wanuga best nigo bole obwiguru mono ase babwate mechibi eyo ekugwenia marwire yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst fibroids prostate enlargement egatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate mashine nde okubeka samarikao eyo kuyarungiya egati yobokoreri bunde obu bakubwatuka imeyenya gitariyiga iko bakwigura kera lituko ochakira chinse 11 chamambya gweka chinse 12 chambagaroba Nuga Best nigo bagotuke miyumo chubo songo ase nyumba ya Oru Towers lirongo lya kabere ase bare nene ku chinse mu kire cya Kisi Kisumu
nja samarieta ngoro kwano ngaki ana rwaleta marwa irara amange nkagenda chinya gitari yao korigyo bogwenia egere mbwene chinya gitari narete ne chininge konyoro bogwenia nkaewa mariogo nkanywa lakini timbe tinkonyoro bugweni buikiranete kero nacha Nuga Best ngashugulikerwa nkabango chakira lituko nkorara chimashini cha Nuga Best chimashini echinje abete chigonkonyo mogongo yone nkabwena arthritis nkabwena asthma nkabwena pressure boigo na maroyira ndamanga yali ngo mubirone ntamanyete na wenete
asamange bakirisi nugwetera seti namba chabo echo chire 0700260518 gose 0770268169 gose 0770410411 wigo nabukubatalira ase website yabo eyuere www.nugabestke.com Nuga Best kutanga mbuya kubwa kubwenia.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Chuo cha anuwai cha Rirage Technical na Vocational College sasa kinawatangazia usajili wa mwezi Januari au January intake. Inatoa mafunzo katika vitengo kadhaa kama vile automotive engineering, electrical engineering power option ambapo unahitimu kwa viwango vya diploma au certificate. Katika electrical installation pia wana vitengo zaidi katika kosi hii. Mechanical engineering ambapo ufunzo wa production, wiring, fabrication na crafts na zingine nyingi. Hairdressing na beauty au ususi na utunzi wa nywele nywele na ngozi, fashion and design. Ufunzo kuunda nguo za kisasa. Pia ujifunza embroidery, tie and dye, print, party and pattern drafting. Njoo ujifunze sasa. Applied Science Global Studies wako na kitengo cha kufunza ukulima ambapo wanafunzi wanajifunza ukulima na ufugaji. Kusajili au intake inaendelea. Katika kozi zote hizi una fursa ya kuhitimu na diploma au certificate. Rirage Technical na Vocational College ipo Kigugi Marani, kilomita 1 tu kutoka barabara kuu kutoka Kisii kuelekea Meruka. Wakufunzi wana tajriba kuu, pia wamehitimu kulingana na sheria za Wizara ya Elimu na TVET. Malipo ya karo ni chini ya udhamini wa serikali kuu au government capitation. Pia unaweza pata mkopo wa serikali wa Higher Education Loans Board HALB. Wanabweni safi au hostel. Kwa mengi zaidi tutembelee katika tovuti yetu www.riragya.tbc.ac.ke. Riragya Technical Vocational College, umechelewa kujiunga nasi. Getemba Television ekionga kya Mwamogusi.
Na batebi na mbasire kitoronigizi ego to kanza mo chibu gembo nsa stage yechi bigi nsa ajenye ko tate speaker na ne kabisa live and direct onye ko tate ufa chisi mimbu eto ayege ntoko koraneke ogo chankoro kitobese ko bwanga ko ngaina tikankoro chitibi no chiriga etibi urwambara etibiri jambi ebetrio ko tumia nyomba kwa raza ko duniani ebetrio ko kerie gari yao majiji betri na raro fogo laki amaliko no ali ga kurugwe ga sikuka ukutura tulijimeno ga ko bugima boko yiga mara moja kwa ragiri onyange jonzibi neji ufa
Numbers Electronics boigomba bwate ebintu bina chi speaker amo ne chi microphone, chi horn speaker, chi power mixer, chi keyboard, chi blender, chi basi na boigo chibirika chestima, chi water dispenser, chi radio au mpaka chirie chigari, chi TV, chi type chonsi na boigo chi size chonsi. Amo na electronics bionse pibuna, chi wire, chi extension cables, nebintu binde ebinge akerotari kweba chi solar panels. Tarere imeyomo chibu gembo stage gorigoro waseo kesimi asa 0729 646 385.
Aiga no numbers aba customer baito bons asimole na baliganiri kerege nto tobwate na netobwate bintu bich quality chigoro chingia kabisa.
Chaso wenge na nyora kane tigaminyo kenyomba.
Numbers Electronics aiga ntobwate kerege nto aserigori lyo mubuko o. Getemba Television ekionga kya Mwamogusi.
Nilan Hub niye moyo chiduka echo chikone bintu bigutumika service na bigase nyumba yao, yani furnitures asirigori lya mubuko ebyo bikomenya segeka asechinsamo cha living room mbabwate chi throw pillows echo chire chichingenjo au nabwego ne chikala au mbabwate recliner sofa sets echora onchora nebuno kuganya kwawo kole nkone bale fabric sofa sets echo chire chechi 7 seater nabwego ne chechi 6 seater echo chire chechi rangi nechi design au nkone bale marble and glass top adjustable TV stands echora tumeke asoko beke TV ya obuya ase chinsamo cha coffee tables nkone bale wooden coffee tables mbabwate glass top coffee table nkone bale marble top coffee tables egatie chinde chinyinge asinsamo cha dining room mbabwate dining table na boigo nechi set korwa asemete ya mahogan echuchire chechi 6 seater na boigo nechi 8 seater na boigo mbabwate marble top inyuranga Nilan Hub igobwate murulio olipa pole asuwanchiro wakanira ebintu biga ngorangora wika wakolire tonyole imeyomo cy'omusongo asebara yasunika migori otara ikasenya gitari lya yanyangena boigo nabogwaka esimi gwetrase chinamba chito echochire enoti isano nibire kianda eyemo isano nibire isato kianda ibire inye gose enoti isano nibire isano nesatu ibire inye eyemo inye isano nibire inye elio okole amonjilio asinka ya olero Nilan Hub, where style, comfort and quality meet.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Peak Dental Clinic nenya gitalie kurubo gwene bwabo asomo chando bwa maino nigo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwato muchando koya sivya komenterua amaino asebalia agogete nkogwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bochogete enya gitalie nige kurubo kale bwensi asedi golidense kegima mbambwate nsema sabana bakubutera nabo igokogosereria obokoreri bwabo no bwabwango nando bwikiranwa wigo ngokora bale scanning chimashini chabo ni chibirongo bigoro nigo bagotoka imejo mucho kisi asama gacho a Uhuru Building asilirongo liri igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust Waigo naboko nyoro gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke Waigo naboko nyoro gwetera ase nchera yesimi wetera ase namba enoti isano ibere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose gwetera ase nambende enoti isano ibere isano nemo inye isano nesatu kianda inye eyemo isano nesatu.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutwe. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Wakire na inde umwancho muligereria Getembe TV chinse chichabono mambe kerondo chenga chiaragire ensa emo nichitagika isano igorobono ekiro tugoche kurigereria amagazeti yeri tukoria rero nararie ale aroro narari agenderete aiga ase ense yetu ya Kenya nabo yobuna konye nako tebiri ntobo bwate samienda ime ye studio tuchikorigereria chigazeti chi gosego chimoreka ase enchira engikeranu kigima ende bona sena kuboringa no bwateri bagari abene rio gusanga ekerengereri kya gocha iga ase studio wetera chinsemo cha Facebook muna Getembe FM chinsemo cha YouTube Getembe TV nabo ige namba yesi minere yirase ekerole GTV yao ya 0726 44 73 67 ase enchira ere yobwango mono tigato mwarigane Sam erioto chake chigazeti nabo igo ntochi gutwara na inde abageni bande abo togo chikorigereria amangana yabasae na magendero aiga ase orogongo oragusi Sam. Wakire
bia Sam.
Karibu sana.
I hope you are okay.
Mbuyande.
Nchebiyane. Na ikirasiri kuria lero twarigelinga magazeti kidogo.
Ireta yao in full
kwa Sam yenda lakini ngono wabare 001 ngokorando murorio twara ali seredi kurenda serero tikatora soma magazeti ya twara nambadaye
001
001 so tuchaka na Daily Nation ama
kele tokorige echi tobwate rero tobwate chi gazeti nye tobwate The Standard Daily Nation Nabo igo People Daily ni gazeti ya Taifa Leo.
Ya Taifa Leo nero.
Etukurie chi headline ngiro cheke kemure kire kabisa ga.
Aiga sensema yane ndo chinga tero chuna bono tubate bikoro bya ba youth gose bari bago article abduction ndo chinga nere headline bakumurikara iga sebari bari responsible sebari ba usekanete asokonyora machibu osoko koro butuki egere bari banyorere ko bakora abducted banyorekane niro chiga sebi chaga gandoche Inspector of General Kanja alafu ntoro chega umuwaziri mubarendi weme oyure Murkomen alafu ntobwatega iga Benson Igonga oyure Director of Public Prosecution alafu pia nimero chega iga Nurdin Haji oyure National Intelligence Service Director oyuna ndo kabere omo Director of Public Prosecution alafu ntobwata Mohamed Amin oyure the Directorate of Criminal Investigations. Wana bubabwate amachigo cha saba Kenya maybe
ukaiya basayibari
bari babera abducted and abande ntorocinga nkonya ko babari released ne batwatwara okorobekana kwanyara ko bagokwanekigwa
twargo chakane ya The Standard singenchondo chinge ya Daily Nation na bebwata mangi kweri tuchakene ya The Standard ese ringana rimwamuri koteba abductions. What does this man know? Nebwate ebicha yae Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja asebone kubolinga ki ningi omuntu oyo amanyete kose ningi IG amanyete igoro yamangana yega yokonya ko biswekero asekero nabeko otebanga court date. Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja is today expected to appear in court and explain the mysterious disappearances of young Kenyans. Should the country expect answers from the police boss?
Yeah, they expect kwa sababu matekerore totebe gose naninka gari koro mongna nayo ku manage store. Anything that happens in the store obviously we ka tokobolinga ki na kieskari hera bwangu. So they are responsible. That's why they are chosen. Like banyara ko bakurwa machigo soborendi weme uchiya saba Kenya. So obviously IG it doesn't matter who holds it. Like bona gato tabenga kanjo ruro mambi bambe kironche sang. My tie I order never na rengo during the abductions. That is the office responsible. It went to kuligire ringa inkiyo kolekana na inde one users because nero teneta mangana akwirinde nero went to kumanyanga aba obisaba manye bagosekana in any way egera ko uchunguzi haya manyara ko baga konyora machibu atotaibu na bakenya. That's why they are there.
Nero went kuira neria?
Yeah, nero went kuira neria at the end of the day. Umwete na benga Kenya. Izo madeni zote na yaba sabe twinga kia Jomo Kenyatta the president of the day William Ruto.
Nero go responsible.
And what is the plan that is having? So na bere.
Lakini sikurige bintu abara igete babere bagukwana buna bono ntubwate muske William umurai wense muske William Samoei Ruto. Say whatever na the police service being an independent institution can make independent decisions on investigations, prosecutions and maintain the rule of law. Labono umurai wense rebweru sana niri. Otigere orutiro mupira gucha say police.
Tena Ruto mupira gucha say police at the end of the day. He is also responsible because Sabu is the commander
in chief.
Na inda bone ke toko tebranga na responsible. Remember create ko giverai na claiming extrajudicial killings ncharengo ase government ya Jubilee aitete lakini yakatebanga rega go so burai. Actually he will make sure we don't have extrajudicial killings. Unabona ngakiria maandamano umugaka Raila hiyo time ya Jubilee watu walikuwa wanakufa banamba kwetu babo baby Pendo. Kuna watu walikufa sana. So when he came to power ali promise like these things won't be happening.
But abductions njiko baro.
Abductions. If there's a time chia very gormono seke bono yani recently you can telling us the government ya President Ruto abductions chia very chinyinge. Especially kureke ya Gen Z abana mbare basirita abantu mba kwete tokuburukanie kwerenderia ekeskeria kware
emebereria rutoka kware
tokitaria sema ya kware. So it can tell you how we have those extrajudicial killings. Igo President Ruto should take responsibility tarutiranga police nabo kwenda ku investigate privately
lakini
na kwenda kulikirelia gentekyo. And if it's good, even arusi achore a commission ekogenda deeper tomanyanga which are the causes and what is the action done.
Chikezi ticheri tukore igoro nga DCI na barabo bagoteba yani ebakirete DCI tera nonyeke gukora nga ubutuki mbara ena na machibu kurwaga chagete sekenjo kero kurigire abduction sechi nchira chaka bono arina mono kurumo tinyo gatano nali modiri abasaye bachagete kurubikana nali abasaye abangi babire bakobiswa lakini kero kurigire nga DCI enchira nere bagwika bakora mangana abo gusekero obatete gukora ubutuki okonyora nga ngoirere chinga kichinge lakini mangana ya abductions DCI yairire egeka naboigo aiga ngorigere dinara aiga oyo bete ekati abari babete abducted ogotebana that speaks volumes to there being a conspiracy. If the state did not abduct me, why haven't they asked me to record a statement? Oyakoroku Bobu Njagi, former abductee.
So, tiga nanjeri ndo cheka iga sense me yane, forgiven my abductors. Tuma I think, amontana. But social media never ata mangana mange. I saw someone writing arending abduction is managed, like it's not, it is something that you also review more even say but I never saw the basis of it. And they never go. You see, when you are abducted, I could have wished also those abductees by but having what was the state during the abductions, what happened in Kibare Kubuniwa. So that if it is all about blogging about the president or say something of bringing about criticism, yes, of abducted. So we look on mechanisms that we can better maybe scrutinize the government. Because basically, were better abducted. What was the state? Because you don't know in fact, so I think one of the abductees at time got to saying what was the state? Were they eating? Now watch requiring the picture.
Ndaro otebetere nga nabete kagwitwa lakini rende what if onyore nga tari serikali gusi umuntu nare magega ya mangana yaiga onyore nga amaine tari serikali okora mangana lakini bono ese go chiareta conspiracy buno yateba ninki nonye police gusi nonye muntu atarire nonye taseni kya banyanyimba boli kuwe gusi atebigu ngari statement abori bunga ikwa chiete na kinchira kikwaire tu nande ingaki what was your experience there?
So you don't expect even the police back abduct and about the Eureka statement. It is the personal thing, like you montaga and derweka, a statement, yet a or can take it. Like in a very in human perspective, like Montonio very abducted Navasgari, and the tag with an area Sabasgari, which go correct.
Korike statement. Nende bono experience yochi kero keno muntu gari kero bakwenda ali muntu osomigwa tokumayo muntu ngayaga kunire takunyara gukwana nonye
takwana asibenjo maita kero kwa miguru naro ono gutwaro go the same police you are claiming that nabago abduct you can't still go the same na bengembe babono embebende kubuli kukulyo bokoni buchese ikebusi so turo chingo montana bakwa
nabeko bakongo mugano yore page ya kabiri gazeti ya The Standard yeri tukoria rero esegote banga nowhere to hide for IG Kanja over outrage caused by kidnappings. Top police boss expected in court to explain the abduction and release of 6 youths today. The circumstances of their release are similar to an incident involving then acting IG Masengeli.
We don't know. Okay, the president doesn't involve directly what you say abduction, but now that is the head, is the commander-in-chief. We need for him to take responsibility. Maybe a commission, what is happening with the abductions. And as well, These abductions sometimes, you know, Kenya, we rely on propaganda as politicians, like politicians. Abana siasa propaganda nyingi. Even though we give happen to be a propaganda, but you don't want to say that's a very serious matter. We don't want to say propaganda. It is very serious because even those ladies maybe who are abducted. The government of the day take responsibility. I'm gonna blame him as a country. You have to look on a mechanism. You're conshonga. Again, the promise he gave ntogotuara some extrajudicial killings like yoko cheruno kogotoka as serikali ya na ndabona ke como serikali eta na mono ne rumura ivense unabona ke nditonya korosie bintu unabona uchao broad based wana anga matoba na rangonya kumwaka as shati yaenda akonya korosie legacy ya
egento nande nare kugani turarigereria enchira abasa baiga mbare batano barabo batogiteri tuko ria Monday
sure.
Nande ninki geko geraba batu gituri tuko ukorobekana kwarenge okorekana dituko nanda basa konye babangire bagukorobekana egero korigeri abo batano okose asabu sita enchira abatogete ekero igazeti yeri tukore goronero yabwate chinse mu batogete umuntu asabwatire tu nasagatigire noyo mubweka I think korwe county ya Embu nere obwatire tu county ya Embu nanda agatoka roro oroche ekero korigeri ngane ngakibako bwatu kwa bonsi ritukerimo
Umaite during the Gen Z demonstration oroche bintu byapen tunabono we had abasaba kanda paka parliament it goes in history like abasaba nabo bachete in history books kugenda parliament bagasari so a government matches na braba kora abductions na karaba igura maandamano I think na baga fobegete karonga abantu aba they are able to do anything bona bono bagasari bakaenda parliament bakarasari the next time when there was still maandamano you can't telling ne abantu baage tomasasi still abantu bagarati bachete so even the government nera awanga amandamana yakera korekana na tariko chikobari raisi so instead yoko tuara chaos chinyinge tikato release abantaba and again I have never found out why Matilda that in our country we can't have that tuare chinga kichiri chingororo ngaki no kam chitokwanirana goikonya bari mu bako takana no comment salary
Kabara kura chipara batenge.
Claim about their salaries. We can buy the para. Aba sai to kuboli goro ya system ya government we katoka the para.
Serikali maya koigu. That's the only way serikali ya Kenya. Ande tariri mogatari kabere. Wakamura menye para.
We katoka the para. We katora so no en parliament mi. Tura salie que tokete costly pako president obe.
Nkwarengo.
Asama ya bono lidia maitenje no moralia sheria was no na renge lakini kegasi lakini no na renge na barabo nenko baza emergency
lakini bono iga ntuko nande kintu kuna kiri Kenya rego korekana
kuna kiri lakini rendo maite Matilda nda itonyerenga ki serikali wase constitution ya Kenya richikuri ya Kenya nkwala orire omuntu onde bwensi gakorokobekana lakini
ebe peaceful gawo no to when to handle
I want my that is where we underline korobekana kuwa mechan moi mo korwa bosongo mwenda koru capital mwenda baka mwenda wose daraja moja bila gusari kende kionsi that is in order lakini bono ase mwachande korwera oru capital wachakiri kuiwa chisimi chomonto kon chinini chomongino kon wasaria boda yo monto kwerigere eitiriko peaceful demonstrations
kero kurigere chinga kibunejo konyoranga no yabanya nyimbo boka ngosegeta bare obosarie sengencho kero baguchaka gutumia chinguru na barabu okonyoranga nabasaye na baruba bire
in fact police should be there but kuruborendi abantu abakorobekana mundu taakwa mundu tanyora kende kebe ignere sababu ya police
ayo kuikira muno boniga gose through experience ebinte bikwarorire roche abanyanyimbo iga ase seto ya Kenya mbaba kobe mugende kurubikana somore anene muno abasaiba
yago tabi epicha dero kurwa abakoloni umusigari gamanyekane to muntu tali friendly like yani garo muntu brutal
kuno komorora
biche inero tubwata abasigari aba they are human nande sababu yayo kobo no koreto bulindi mundu tubwente kuba musigari ikagwente kuri bulindi lakini yesengi nje bicheliero kurwa ba colony balengo gukora kero taxes kibwente ko ba collected kero montaru anire no bari responsible ba kwa discipline so ebiche tubwate ngo musigari no muntu akore
kero kwa mororire ni vita uko banga
enkore yawe iketumekai musigari yarambwate basically they are just
akoranga na naye kero kwa mororire owe shuku boke kero tari sama gosa
owe shuku ngakikai na gosire gaiga ejeninga kiyote
gotikarira abo se umugano uyu nande bwa abductions ne bwate page ya gatete gotebana youth tell of their journey to hell and back ngabono Bill Mwangira goteba 4 people appeared from nowhere, picked me up and bundled me in a double cabin. Before I could understand what was happening, they cut a piece of my shirt, blindfolded me, and from then I can't tell what happened. Bill Mwangi.
Bill Mwangi, you're more of the abductees,
Na boigo Gideon Kibet ragoteba. I was left in a deserted section of the road between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. I followed the road and established that I was in Luanda. Luanda kutoka county ya Vihiga, Western Kenya. I found a safe place till dawn when I started my journey home.
So, unaulio chieta boka anda ase disco matanga wana? I think it's one.
Gideon. Nere Kibet bull.
Ani Kibet ama?
Gideon Kibet nere I think obwatere o bull.
Yeah. So akagenda ase disco matanga akarabero egere chisa chikiragende ase kwerinde ase mwabo anyway so Matilde Kentonano tabankiringa as a government of the day Mr. President should be responsible igere bikoro nebi ekuwachero kunyara ko ba go stop we are not going to a right direction that tutaketigo kwana na ana ko rich stories kagari chi ko involve politicians like yenda kuboli umuntu mwananchi common ngo muboli ngaki ngakerengere kyanga muragete sego se yentekeneke especially as siasa ona kama nteba watu boba akorengeringa ga ukwana bobe ngocherwa correct and we have a country about the freedom like we have freedom of expressions. We need to tell the government where it is going wrong. We need to tell the government where it is not working in a friendly way.
What about the young people wono barabuno kutumeke mitandao? Singenchekera ukorigereria togonte bina Sam no cheru n'abanyanyimbo busa igo bunabone ga wasokire ko rugaiga ogenda nyorenga kwa wasibiru bagotinganirie ro nginjira gitega bakwimukiriwe cyari teko babosa abasaidi
barabu we have a social media one of the social media of which we have a lot of freedom bona iga nkorore gali ase TikTok koranga there are some photoshopping muraiwe za kominyoka maybe akorwa niyo muntu the same social media wasana matera yakasongo but what I'm happy with the president he has just accepted that
criticism akoyerera positively
you have to know the way you can manage these things because abantu barabuika bakwana but what I'm trying to argue ngeringa let's not overdo it bunabasai much as it is well cartoon chiko related to the government chiko gusana magendero lakini ntonye overdo unabono omungwana naro yorositie president karase kwerende sanduki tatabe ya makweli mate no ninche the president is human na wata bana bai na watu muswati and they feel and nobody wishes as someone that were maybe life irembe wasakwe that is bad so naboranyo omungwana unabeta abducted I think so again tubona kiri much as we have the social media, what I'm trying to say, let us use it wisely. So to make it wisely, if we are criticizing the government, let it be a criticism. Serikali asinchirendonge. Tebenchirelia yoko
ukurigereria binte serikali yakoje.
Kwarigereria binte serikali watabanga.
Mbire bitaraikirana.
Ande kwato the solution yanga ki. What do you think about it?
anene mono gusange birengereryo I think era the best thing singinjo nebo murai bwense manyene ngurigere yare nkosware social media ofuatilia sana urigere singinjo bono esi ikironye nanda pasaiba kugendera gutumika emitandao ya kijamii chinjira bunecho ngo ikatore aso konyoranga kindi kyonse kerio okay gwikira boniga serikali nemanyite kindi kyonse kerio kubeka mutandao bono the moment nande tokugendera gusokonyoranga basaye bagendereire gutumika emitandao injira buneyo mangana yatago chigokiane singinje serikali ero bakekane na boigo bali batinete byombe bibyo kurigire mangana yo bore ndibakabakanenga mbari responsible lakini bono abasaye amagima nagendera ko bikwasa kongo
so tigato tumeke nanda manchazo yoso saying arinde gas nchiyo nini tumeke mitandao asenjire positive yoko nyakosemania anina mono ase ngakitoranya ko batogusuka buna abasaye there are better ways. And I talk about Korobekana Gumanembe, 2027 is there. You feel the president is not good, and I've got the Kurayao, and I can Kura to your preferred candidate, Heraiche, at the heavens that we were thinking about.
Kawayo.
Togos Kabosiret.
Bado epeji ya gatoto nere bwate mugano yo senjira yo boikerano nga free but fearful how life has changed for released abductees wana nandikira kurigeri abantu abukira basokira kurabo mbale no bwoba mbakirete njira gitenga mbali gosanga bintu byonse ose mbatete kukwana experience kyarega
once beaten twice shy ndio matu mnabona enda mati donyara gosene nane tiantu mekengiti anyore ngiti yani na nonyora lisabo uyikonya gutama gozi mbengere bya video bwate
ati aliumwa na nyoka
aliumwa na nyoka yani hata akiona akasabo iga kare kunjita byiga wikari ibirundo usikende kimukuneiga usikwanya ko watch a horror movie utuko saina iga maitege chiko kegugari chikoni
mwanya wantu na berigo ono abantu buna experience banyorete boni gumuntu nataka na bagukuna nonye simiae tabwati content asengenjo amanye tunya emitanaye nero ya muirete asari ingi andi nataka kurigiri abantu buna abanyanyimbo takugani korora ono obo barakini babonte bayikwange nande bakwane rubiya nande bono ndo changa pasaye bonspi basome kurwa samangana buna ega nadi rinde muntu kumanya naki ekere serikali kugochira tiri kugochira moleke kundi usimore chi group bune chiche mitandao ugochirwa ebwe solo
lakini for me I feel there are better ways we can engage bro mono nanchete tendo gie president some other time back kirari go describe about the university model funding model akatware bikao gari Mombasa it was one on one akainvite wanafunzi nganchwe kakabona to discuss abalende it was wrong but it was also good erebuna president abantu bari involved n'abantu b'wizara ya HSM abo went to describe the thing but since he felt like let me do it myself because since na red dragon take it was good. That is one of the ways if we feeling engineer to taribia if we can invite even the president ningi nyote gari kako invite abantu X asomta now X ngi to kwanera
tali ntunda yemo
so it's all good like we have a way to when to engage the government through a peaceful discussion egereto nyorenchira ebintu bitu bikoba well taken care of nande ngento kene keringa ki ne serikali nero kotuwa teberinga ki yaya aba lecturer aba watakiriga naiga ya mubwenera tegente kairun time
hano serikali nero na tuate abaka abakenya barakura bakechikono para
bakepara chikono para bagolchi suguri babeke moto serikali manya kwe
nande gose abantu barasiria magema
barasiria magema abo kidogo iga manyingara iteka alafu tumakora to ndande banande
page ya kane gazeti ya The Standard ebwate mugano okuriya mangana HSM sekotavana administrators traders reel from effects of missing from one class traders can no longer cash in on admissions as there are no new students nkorenki kwa bwatire gabunga bono abantu bakonie chi uniform abantu bakonie ebintu biri abana bagasorere form 1 bono bachandikira sengenjo era ndi ento kabwati form 1 admission By the way, ne challenge ene sana. Which I say, yeah.
Kuna wanenga kilia chi form 1 maybe chi kwenda school. Wana lia magulia chi teke sara. Kwa nyoranga na.
Angoga no bare gwete ningere bono. Asafanya biashara.
Bono they have to look on other mechanism babe creative. Bara nganchira kibara nyore chibesa inchirendi. Lakini grade 9 inchiro I think they have a different uniform.
Lakini usengara ngine chiri chako grade 7 8 9 iyo uniform iko bwekana aweka grade 10 and abuna bo monta go change school nande aligie uniform
iko bono motegere yore ko kore biashara munebiga arenjira
byakongire na inde bono chi uniform echo akonyara ngo bana ko baikire form 3 go chiabo mbali ko nyakugura uniform
ese njore limba bwate abona naro chega chiparedi chibekire by the way buna bana bayira ne school ebije gari sichidoka chiche bitabu chikone ku uniform you could telling her abayibori mbeba ngete asabana kwera ne school I think the school just pay think bona ga bayigori
hende bono aigenjire abayibori bono bako ganya last minute nari buna litkore gorokoro Monday na igoro kurigire nga bookshop se chichire abantu babange tichire okubolya nga chibese chinga ichiaga chire chitare chino form chinjira ko kugorwa enga kiesu guko
yeah maite this what we call okay think of the business mono lakini ndro no even the suppliers bakora bisegento maita bana biashara de no to
ngora bisuchira amaina
egere enga kiego ikabona rikere in demand you have no option ali bako kereta bona bona ago tebinga ni chiri wisano you have no option, you have no choice, you have to
osekende ngelinga moko ganyabora akeri tangani togorero mwana uniform tori komanyere nga nonye wiki
unajua kuna tabia zingine za Wakenya by the way
kama gani
late hours watu wanapenda kukua late by the last minute last minute Wakenya ni watu wa last minute like
lakini nande mbuya esinge ko nyoranga tokugorero mwana riria afungete skuru mugorire uniform tori komanya chinga kichiga na be weekend mugo severe chine chinyinge.
What do you expect on December ande barengeretia mandazi
lakini nande usikurige no henshi suguko chabone ga chansire rero bantu mbari gotwara nchiri gotwara hype mono
abayende nchiri gotwara
ibintu byakongire uchumi yabeire mbe bantu mbari go sherekea
but Matilda nataka ukumbuke for you for now maybe you have responsibilities, it doesn't matter lakini mwana make Christmas matters. That's why even during your time abantu mbaro na idikware ngomo when the Christmas had sense on you parabu ya what sense so as you grow maybe
igona bibuyo tete wa kama kuma bono
no
imechanda nebe menge
tilibonene but at some point I feel like Christmas ngona kuruzi kire the more you grow the more you intogete bikunya kuruzi sense lakini asa abana bake it makes a lot of sense
mine. We're going to put the administrators are pondering where to get money to cover running costs. Chisukuru institution bakaganyire nga wachibesa chiri form 1 cha admission chigoso chikore bintu gete abarimu abanene
by the mbara ntabo the admissions as you have said
sahi akuna
so every institution by the way sahi wana they are running a budget of chibesa chinke it's across especially when it January wakonyoranga chibesa nchirio no in high schools we only have form 2s 3s and 4
2 3 4 hivyo vitatu
okay that's fine.
We got parents happy with changes at Hillside Academy after last year's blaze neri school eri yanyeri yanyarete kwene kyo mubasukana olibo morero abana 20 noyo
is it
Endarasha school eri abana basirije bugima wabo pero kuri ya magacha yo nakolero bonchorire bono nanda masomo bairanire school buna abana bande magiga yo kobera isiko metinye etari meke
but we hope ngarende mbare kabisheta sama makosa rengi mweta ba Kenya atuwezi realize makosa not unless it may happen ndike ndoki happen na yoko nyoranga no let's do this na yoko raba bunge bako mnyaka kuchibunge akoreta ichiko fulani ichiko fulani like tuanje teko igento kiara korekana tu experience tomanya kuri solution
nali Kenya abantu bakolan
better. That's our country.
aya ntubwate page ya gatano nebwate omugano iga gotebana swindlers lower parents and students in KCSE exam grades con game ngabono abantu mpare babiri bagutumia mitandao bobe kose bagocha in the name of okoena na amatemu a KCSE bantu bakanira chivesa ona abantu babiri bagosiria chivesa segotebana scammers on Telegram charging as high as 45,000 shillings Kenyan shillings claiming they can alter KCSE grades.
Wana maite abakenya nabaya janja abantu mutumeka bari mitandao bobe unabona dia matemu ako rumuntu nabagocha gotenga matemu animbwata yuago chigocha umuntu kwa bakonde. Lakini rende much as we have this social media ne what effects share what I could advise ya bantu nkarine ki think twice kara rengere kabiri pero monta wa tabiringa nimbo ko halta matemu erening where does he work in the first place naenda bantu ntu achi bintu bya rising otakete like bono mwana ogusagwa tedi acharuki kubaka
nara ikino nyembika
nkiago chikosi nchiro cha etatabo chira za medical doctor nkiago chikuigwo.
That's why okonyora ekira abantu abaiga barure na bago so university konyora ngana ekira simembali bago chanda usekira ikire sko gaiga ago chikotemo kwa kumenga umwana oyo gose kozi yenera imogeti ngire ndo mochano muntu tari gukora mirimo gose tari gosoki virivyugane iri kurwasa
ya kero muntu nare fit where he fits unabona uro muralia I feel like you fit there onde ore gose ne engineer na we have a fit ororo we produce a productive society ya mambi tutwara manyagitari ekiwango kia getabwenereti lakini yaro manyagitari na bwabo kwego muntu ako betwe sindani ngao kwanyora ngo muntu usiriyo bugima asingincho yo tanyora masomo ikiranite gose kokora biri bikiranite gere goba gose no manyagitari gose no mwarimu gose no morali.
Ndabo igonek ero igoteba ikiombekiri kia Kenya National Examinations Council ikigoteba na it assures their systems are watertight and cautions parents and students not to fall prey to conmen. Kero kigiate birenga ki amachi bwarige kubatukana arayo.
Nkwaroche, have you seen some videos circulating about the release of exam? Social media nenkongu ganya
abantu mbali wikabone ababugerete bakagerete ngamatemu asokire
because nanje naroche nanje ngokuminga ki yaga ki ndaro agente ke alia getembe TV ama getembe FM mangana maiga akoro abu TikTok gaya yarwere so everybody you have to be cautious akikishe gendo buna bono iga oche bosongo gaiga na bakonyora ngomuntu naro beta kondi chibese ngabekera chibese chiga abade 2000 maybe school fees ya 20000 bekira chibese jigo sen 2000 ngonyora na extra money diba go konyora ebeseria kora
ya
kware abantu banche bintu bya mate bintu bya bosambe bwate
bya bwerera
mondo ta go chega bune bogi mapoko ngeta go tebi nganta edo ko ebese abos hakuna kitu ya bure ko ikomondo oin ka some costs ikobona abaibori ka very careful mondo ta ko ngaina nganchun ko ne go sene line ya Safaricom eriga iga ngem pesa pinya bona ka kiro monta akuri using any means unabona kwa kuga bu Telegram they are using korweta ko ko ndia manga ndango chenjeri umwano na ndayo mwibuli umeta babuli nabo bwachi bese I'm not even sure nga no gende kuboli umwana okoreta matemu nganta 45,000 ngende ko chenjeri grade hakuna kitu kama hiyo omuntu nama itenga no mwibuli okoreta ki ubwate bese umwibuli tiganjira no mwana wa echi grade kiriago cha konyora and nobody is a failure. Labo jo.
Kira muntu nabata sabo
ete. Did you see what the time about the time when to about querende cabinet what? Ngetokoro yendo kali. Vetting. Ikate tama NP anje tama NP na what they demand. Lakini kuruabunga suka we don't want to know the means. We see the positive side of it. Akarukurwe demand. Agatebanga that the next time akoba if you will be chosen as a CS on your vetting yego chagotoka you will be called doctor. That is the inspiration you want. You can have a E, you can have a D minor, you can have a D, lakini you can do something out of it. Kuna kwa semere tutaite kurgochia survival igwa matemu ya macha ziarange go chikosokiwa anchirana ni gentu mwana wakorteki abwate.
Guska obusio page ya gatano narimo nebwate omugano ndabwe gotewa na Raila Odinga at 80 Kenya's grand old statesman or Willy Dilimeka ngabono umurai we kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga. I think his birthday aini goro yari.
He celebrates his birthday on 7th of every January. Actually, Raila is an inspiration to many of us. Yokero rumo sa awate miaka 24 go claim nga tubu atigasi. Think about Raila Odinga at 80 looking for a job.
Oligire kero kyo bora ibu insata na go ita.
Tanya ko kanyora bona you actually.
And he's still strong.
He's 80, but he's looking for a job. Manship no mungano wa Africa. Like make a
Chinse chiri se kyombekyo.
I think it has a 54 membership. These states and then go to work abere kura come February muti nyukabere. But we are praying as a Kenyan statesman. We don't think we don't judge about the age. Let the best man win in the queue. As long as ega seria are intended to go aye kirani boy kirani.
Asi wango mono birthday yaye igoro na gutoko bwata nindoje hanendero korende
say happy birthday to you.
Onterere kerato akoliro moroberio awiko Ruto's Ali's plot to win Kalonzo's Ukambani base. I think yensiasa ere nyinge gochaiga bosio esingencho yebiro kware koraitira a Daily Nation torgeria manganari.
So as a Daily Nation, we are not far from what we have been saying because men who owe us answers, it is the same story to about na ndu anyarako to kwanda because gaiga bago tebanga very responsible for the security of this country. Na wanindo chegaiga umosies gose umwaziri olibo burendi weme oyore Kipchumba Murkomen alafu nimbwate Benson Igonga the as the director of public prosecution alafu ntobwate Nurdin Haji na Mohamed Amin abonsi mbali batene tamangana yoburendi gaiga ase ensema ya Kenya. They should tell us nabo igo umugano yura ase page ya kabere alafu gaiga ikentondo tofauti kidogo neringa Gachagua Alice call for commission to probe kidnapping. Actually it is the same story lakini neringa aba bwatani bari bo mu yorengo mu konyu bo muraibense oyore nere Rigathi Gachagua bagotebanga serikali bwento kuwajibika ase okoranga amangana ya kidnapping or subduction anyare ko bagagwika omwere nande onyorenga Matilda by the way bona iga nonyega Gachagua monyene nari involved in abducting one ba chakire kurteranga na yo gokora na gokora abductions yijiga ngegero muraibense akoreki ara ko bomobe. So this is the country we are living now. Thing siasa ya Kenya, it's all about propaganda nyingi. Yueta koretiko nindo cheka ge bicha ya Gathoni wa Mshomba na umo senator okurukwanga Karugo Thagwa oyue bare ababwata ni baime mono
Gachagua
yo rengo mokonyu muraibense umoske Rigathi Gachagua. Alafu ngoske kochia ase page ya gatatu nindo cheka iga aba the abductees oyo mo oyo okurukwanga nere Billy Munyiri Mwangi ogatebanga obabire aba balia
bamubisa
yeah iko ba mo drop ya chinsemo cyanyeri nanda gatebanga erebono genda gusabanga nere noba moyo nanda gatebanga obabire bali banyata ko ba ko mukore bikore ande bitwanyara ko batoko gike to gatebanga tebwenereti as a country umuntu gago express the views ko sichae anyara ko bagago ba threatened ko sekogoswa. Alafu gaiga ase page ende ya kane nindo chegaiga aba waziri mbaro bali banyara ko babago sirigasi kero mo muraibense are kori ya gose are gokora
reshuffling
uchiasa serikali unabona ntubwate yoringo mo waziri bo cooperatives Simon Chelugui ni moro chegaiga Aisha Jumwa yorenge mangana agenda Ezekiel Machogu yorenge Semi Zakaria Njeru yorenge mangana ya mache gose water na umuske Mythical Inturi yorenge asoboremi alafu ntobwate Susan Nakumicha oyorenga se ensemo ye yobo chenu alafu na Penina Malonza oyorenge amangana ya Africa ya mocha I think East African Community babo Florence Bore na babo Juguna Ndungu oyorenge amangana a treasury bono nigo batabwati ase bakonya ko kora egasi yabo alafu omo ko alafu gaiganto bwate amangana NHIF na guchibosigo ase inchire yugo alafu nkagiritenga no tuguikara gabu kurinde ase semo ya Dondo by the way Taifa Leo Dondo ni regaiga ya Taifa Leo ndio turarigiriri kidogo mangana na risem kurinde turarigiriri ngogaiga ase semo ya
Dondo wachikana gazeti ya Taifa Leo page intangani ekotebana akata kufiata mdomo ebwate bicha yae Gachagua Yorengo Mokonyi bumurai wensi amatukaetire sasa kotebana karata Rigathi amedai serikali inafufua magenge hatari inaendekeza ufisadi na utekaji nyara wa Wakenya wanaopinga utawala wa Rais Ruto.
Ya bono maite murai Mokonyi.
Angire wokira.
Yorengo Mokonyi bumurai wense bono nere I think is the sitting opposition bono inga.
Nairobi utete korosi upinzani.
Ensemerio kuamriria serikali bono we are not having it. Kalonzo naro lakini tari kuigwekana mono lakini gaide tigabasona na masengenchi bono Yorengo muamriria manene bwa serikali
Raila Odinga.
Bono it's all about
African Union
chairmanship. Koko chaba bwatani bae babo Junet oyo claim kabanera bon the opposition in parliament igagotera gwe president. Are you seeing? Babo Joho babo para nyabani go pinga serikali.
No bari me serikali.
Gotera etiuni serikali.
Yes, serikali.
I think one ga babo Kalonzo Musyoka, babo Eugene Wamalwa, babo I think alikuwa anaitwa nani? Is it Mwangi Kiunjuri? Not Mwangi Kiunjuri. Mwangi wa Iria. Yorenge the former governor or Mwangi wa Iria, I think Muranga. One of the standing opposition babo Jeremiah Kioni, babo Oyotoko Rukanganere bono Rigathi Gachagua. Bakurusi bao kwa serikali na kioroche Kerengaki na wate mkutano ya ayaga ya sichikanisa kila Jumapili egere akwane kinde o maene bwaye igoro ye serikali
amanganande hali ngumu shuleni yanukia serikali tera bwato kachipesa gocha ase chisukuru no nicha igwiro nkagirete ngapono nande chisukuru ngo chigotwara chire chinga kichinko
chengo twaje chinga kichinko igaba ibori by the be prepared
macha abana baira negotaka
kamwe fe nani nabura munyorenka yako garabone gana bura nyorenga be sanchio chiko kimu mahitaji ya wanafunzi gari ya school. So abaibori bonsi what we are praying and kiringa ki macha siyogendete ko beranka gabu make sure at least waka ni rumano we school fees mapema ne bankenke egere anyara ko sustain dia school bonde ganto taiti konya kora bana baichire bosongo gaiga prince ya kongirega abana babwanta ko ba very safe and sias very especially abana abanyaruka of which even the boys are not exception. I keep on telling Yabantunga, bono igataringa no mwana omwiseke. Bono it's all about
no mwana.
Omwana. Ituikira sengaki, we need to think about our boys. Matilda, I want to tell you.
Takwani the girl child baka.
Mutu wakwani the girl child until we are forgetting our boys.
Oranga kwa very bitter.
When we are having, we can't go on bono gana inchi ya boy child. Na ndo moralia. Again the question with just everybody. No montonde bwense lirenti getamba TV this morning. What I'm trying to say in Keringaki, the tune we are having neyo mwana omweseke.
Yeah, very too much.
Yeah, very too much. But I'm not saying yeah, very too much. It's good for empowering, and I like it because I have sisters. I have sisters. I have a mother. They are all girls, including my mother.
Yes.
Again, in conjunction with that, kwa nyoranga tuabeiro uzito mwingi kwa girl child mpaka bono ya kirato kugwe bikora byo wita igo bigo fall under boy child
singing very neglected
na inde because of the society, the community wasomeri mumroma etoi unaifaa mahitaji mingi. I'm sorry to say your girlfriend needs some kutengeneza nywele your mother na hata ketia sukari and then kwa maana konyora ayo mwenye notaite kwa gacha no wente kwa people kware bora mahitaji hapa bange unaone gasieta yoiga kwa romondo kore kingo liense. So we need to tell our boys wherever they are ngaki
Ntobатambwete
and then tore nabwo ntobatiga
ndochenga sam ande wakati chitori gichinga kichinde tukwane kwanza mangana ya agenda.
It's okay. So umemalizana na nini
People Daily egotebana ringana rimwamu erigotebana how taxman is drinking your money. Taxman ningo opulence. While President Ruto has been calling for fiscal discipline, KRA plans to spend millions on luxury as taxpayers pay through the nose. Ngabono, and as much as umurai wense akonya gotebana chibesa chibesa chiego sekero mwake kero kurigiririwo chibesa nchibone ntego tumekwa sinchira irendonge chibesa chaba Kenya ona kero kurigirana KRA ekyombekirigio ko ketenere to gusangiririe bango ya Kenya Revenue Authority ekegotebana okay, it plans to spend millions on luxury as taxpayers pay through. Nga KRA kerokyo nkebangete nande kubwatoka chipesa kucha ase chichikorigere ya mangana chicho sasa mangana yo kwegokya. Mugano yore page ya kane gazeti ya People Daily. Nga igobono ebange togenete kurwase goso kubutorwase encherere yobororo mete chinsa chinde bango nero kona chokoseko kindu bubaka kwa igunge gokoruma lakini nande kurigire ngabantu mbaro na bebwate umubaro bwechi pese chibuna chiko chikobagekana ucha kurigereria amangana au buna bono egotebana office tea ego chikoba 55 million ntubwate 3 million tinarabia nkeke chiko kora na bwe ntubwate 14 million ego chikurigeria amangana air ticket for directors and 8 million for travel expenses, 83.5 million on mobile airtime. Imagine. Mobile airtime, 83 million.
83 million. They could have taken care of something else, especially as with our tax, because everyone is very responsible about the tax paying. We don't pay tax. Enchireri toko taxes taxes inguru guchire lakini the amount of amagendo toko nyora in return yara makimono tarikwenda na ni tax chiri toko raki tokoro to I mean tokoro so yara tokoro bolinga kinga kitora rwe tax lakini magendo tarikora kana alafu the priorities mnabona kwa iwanga luxuries we need to prioritize even tombire binge bona iga that we are at stake. Unabona iga bana chiskuru bunabayirani the government
inabato kabeza.
Ibwato kechibesa kuchisi skuru ehera bana basome. Ebinto mbiro ebinge abanyagitari babwente kwa gusembe chibesa cyabo because they go through a lot. Okonyaranga baro nene meshara. Tigana yoke yo comment. Eri babwente kwa kanu nene ni bwate challenges. Umuntu enda as much as 4 months and these are people bamenyete in rental houses. Abana abantu bwata abana nibonye mbaringe skuru lakini babwente koragera babwente kweyaka no ena mafuta babwente ko kubera sara
and babwente konyorobo weni
babwente konyorobo weni so the government should look at priorities chaye ebeke priorities chaye right era sortie bintu matida mwao gari toko genda ondogore ebikoro tebiya onye tubwati obosi
maine.
We have to look as the government should look for ways chokorari gere priorities era sorti bintu bibwente mapema egere binde byamanyagocha later mangana luxuries
endo chasingencho yebiro sam nande vakatochogo charit koringa nande turamurikira mangana yaiga mangana na mangi agenderete asense ya Kenya ane mbona mangana gukuna abasai ende ase moroberio oyoiga chitage kachinke chirebosio ntocho kwana mangana ya abasai nobo rai kusena magendero nko boria umoncho murigiriria age ogendere gotonyora ase chinsemo obuna chinsemo cha Facebook ndore ndoche mbare mwatonyore korende asengenchonga abageni baikira igase studio etorachia korigire chi message eche ekero togenderete kubera nabageni naboigo samiyenda onere nabotoko motinga ntware ritukorigia ekero nande tochego kwanera amangana buna
Dianda bayori dondo kidogo. Nataka basomera dondo kidogo.
Asichitagekemo.
Buna bona abayibuli ba twabwate Christmas. Endo manyara kwa yomanda akarurende mjini kule akagenda nkamwabo. Lakini abayibuli baye utakire kwirana guchiachi semo cha Nairobi gusena ibasha gusengai lakini ba moda biringa tabwana tukwirana. Singenja irite myake mingi kwirana nka. Nga akagenda akabere myake mingi ononga obekira makaya mono gari asensemo ya mjini Bono kera chitenga boy batete kumotarera amatenga tukwente kogenda kumanya igari skesing encho tubichikwira nanka. Kabona saba nyamwaka bari mona ndeta kwenda mwabera pie miaka ya ereta ne ikomi mwamanya gochanka mwachanka mwarora ingike kokorka na chinsemo chiri chanka. Na bantu basa no tiganda batevi ngamba getugoro let me remind them.
Na Newcastle.
Yeah.
Ibere aseri genaria sagero.
Ibere aseri genaria sagero. Nataka kuraba nyuringa mwagetwe. Iko tuko pamoja na sisi na into tuwatomere pole chito. Kuna abantu ba maniu. Abo bikoraba iko.
Omoncho morigereri.
Twari tukuriya.
Kenda tunjora gwetera sichize mecha Facebook na YouTube ande sengo kubolia ngagendera gutigara imeyo moroberio iga gwetwani ase chitage kachinke chire postio tuswena abageni beri tukoria rero iri tunyare kurigereria mangana yabasae na magendera ore moroberi kwabere nenche Matilda Oboigo nande ekero twarenge nere
Samiyenda.
Biamona sana gendera gutigara imeya umoroberi gwetwani ngoira nande ase gikage geke na abageni.
Biamona sana.
Usie bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja ETV ya uwanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimero au ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miyensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas amono guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemero yetu au inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Mwamogusi.
Getembe Television ekeonga kia Mwamogusi.
Kila nafsi na itaoja
Tarari ogukwa komulisia Winston Musenya kwae. Lisinya kwae nigale omuritaad head teacher naboigo omulisia omagenge Central SDM. Yaro mwana onyewosiria senior chief Alex Nyakwae Nyambeneria na nyewosira Salome Nyakwae babo machoge borabu constituency. Nigare omwaka nyewosira Esther Kerubomose na nigare ise Nancy, Beatrice, Dennis, Dr. George, Albert, Josephine, Jacqueline, Edward, Bernard, Gladys na Kodek. Nigare Sokoro Yabange. Nigare Isabiara Isaac, nyagosira Edward, Abundi, Jackson, John, Rispa, Dr. Naum, Rose, Zipporah, Happiness na Beatrice. Yare momro mwabo Samuel, nyagosira Jeria, Okeira, Nyandieka, Otieno, Gisemba, Otiso, nyagosira Getange, nyagosira Mekubo, Daniel, Onyango, Kwamboka, Marita na Teresa. Nigare korera ya nyagosira Orangi, nyagosira Matara, nyagosira Omote, nyagosira Nyakwanya, nyagosira Makori, nyagosira Mochama, Magembe, Kebuaro, Oyoroboga nyagosira Onyari, Christina, Sibia, Sara, Anna, Mosomi, Pastor Nyoteyo na Miri. Yare Samoka Rogers, Charles, Ogetange, former DC, Mabea Mogaka, Henry, Tom, Paul, James, Geoffrey, William, Elijah, Salome, Katia Bande, Abange. Mochango, Yora Korekaneri tukuria Jumanne tariki 2 Area All Saints Cathedral, Muchu Nairobi, Chinsa ikomi nemo cha Mugoroba. Nigo amasabo yoko moenera Korekan tariki 3 tukuria Jumatano mutinyumo tangani umwako yega iga Maxwell Church yire manyikati mu Nairobi Central SDA abo ase arani wetariki 10 kinyumutangani omwako igari twejuma aria Magenge Village igorera sublocation ase county ya Kisii. Getamba Television torengre yeito
utakuwa upande gani siku ile Bwana akija wale wote waliolala katika tumaini la Bwana watafufuliwa watakatifu waende kuishi na Bwana kule Elia wako mbinguni wataenda kuishi nao milele.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi
ne nogani gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chipafde misangirikano yechi kanisa baby shower anniversaries gusi ekinyuru kinyumo inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie vinde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega asiri golidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyibaita bobale nobo manyibigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simigwitira namba 0741499726
Yobongoli umwanone kiririjane
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi Enyagitari ya Medford nigo eukralia clinic kya Neurospine tariki 10 omutinyu mutangani umwakoyoiga o 2025 consultation fee ni chishiringi kiri bubere ni chimisano chioka abaroire bali babwate back pain, neck pain, hip joint pain, disc bulge bali babwate obukungu bwogotara nabo igogwe kumba numbness na tingling of feet persistent headaches na brain tumor muhariganiwe ase clinic yekiga kero asenchera ya bene tarere asenyagitari ere ase para ya hospital road ose otwa keresimi ase namba 0